It's been an all-day thing. This is probably the sixth tree we do today. This one fell on top of the house, breaking the fence, and definitely had a nice hive in it. Let's go check it out. Looks like the hive's been here for a while. Looks like they took charge of a hollow area. Looks like there's probably maybe over 100,000 bees up in this area. This thing is pretty huge. Wow. This is the biggest one today, but the cones look all dried out, so some of them are old cones. They are usable though. The larvae and the pupils are there. What are they doing? They're just covering themselves here. I think the queen might be up there. What's up, guys? These guys are very chill. Even though you see them hovering around like this, they're not even attacking me. This is part of a cone. That's an old cone. It doesn't have honey. Looks like it cracked in half.